Hey gang, I'm Rob Connors, the founder of Signum Golf, and today I'm going to show you how I built my golf simulator for home for under $3,000. Now I'll warn you, I did get some things used and handed down, but knowing all that, you can still do it for under 3K. It may just not have all the bells and whistles of some of the more expensive setups that you see, but it will still get the job done. If you like this video, hit subscribe or like. You're also going to see that this is my home gym. So if you want some golf specific at-home workouts, we do sell this at-home program, but just comment below and I'll also drop some videos on golf workouts that you can do at home in the future. So we're in the process of moving into this home, and I knew I wanted two things. First, an at-home gym, and second, a golf simulator for home. I told my wife, babe, you can have every room in the house. I just want control over the garage, and boom, deal. And during this time of COVID and shelter in place, this room has literally saved my sanity. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Hey guys, so we're here in my garage, and the first thing you're gonna need to consider when building your at-home simulator is gonna be overhead space. And you can see from here that with the garage doors right here, as well as the pull-up bars in the back, I chose this corner right here. But the problem with this location is while I can still film my swing from down the line, I can't really shoot video from head on. One of the decisions you need to make is which simulator and technology you want to use. The Foresight GC Quad is basically the Cadillac of launch monitors, but is also very expensive, and I had to keep the budget down. I chose to go with the Skytrack simulator because I could project ball flight on my computer, and in the future I may throw up a TV in this garage. The one thing that Skytrack doesn't do is it doesn't give me the club face position at impact, and that's fine. I purchased this on Facebook Marketplace for about $1,500. Shouts out to Brian there, my man. So I saved a little bit there. It usually retails for around $2,000 the last I checked. I was also considering the Flight Scope Mevo and Mevo Plus, which puts it at around that $2,000 price point, but you can see from this graphic here on their site that it uses Doppler technology. And it requires about 7 to 9 feet behind the ball as well as 13 feet in front of the ball. And you can see with the spacing in my setup here, I just don't have that. To keep the cost down, I went with a hitting net rather than a projector and screen to track the ball flight. I simply connect the simulator to my PC. It's really super simple. You just use the USB cable they give you, download the app, and register your account. In the future, I hope to hook it up to a TV as I previously mentioned and use that instead of my computer. I also saved some money, and shouts out to my brother-in-law Bill. He had a net from an old hitting cage. I didn't have to pay for that. So you're going to see the second net will have a lot of extra material at the bottom. But if I had to purchase, I would just buy two 12-foot by 12-foot nets. I'll put the links in the description to some other ones I am considering in the future. Because this is also my garage gym, I needed the versatility to take the nets down when not in use. So I chose to go with a bunch of screw eye bolts that are super cheap, no more than 20 bucks for both the bolt and carabiner, each I put in. So let's go ahead and check out what that installation looked like. All right, I went with a 3-foot by 5-foot Emerald Par mat on Amazon. The link is in the description. I paid about 65 bucks for it. Last I checked, the price has shot up to about $90, probably because of quarantine and COVID. Regardless, I needed the versatility of something that I could easily move in and out of the space rather than something that was heavier and more permanent. It's not the most plush mat out there, but for the price and what I was looking for, it does get the job done. It will shift a little bit after a few dozen shots, which is why I weigh it down with some of the dumbbells back there, but the flush shots feel great as if on the range or the golf course. So, let's get everything all set up and show you guys a couple shots. Well, there you have it. That right there is my setup. If you have any suggestions on how I can make my setup better, just drop a comment below and hit subscribe. And if you want to see some of the drills I do, as well as some of the golf workouts that I do here, also just hit subscribe and drop some comments below. Take care, guys. It's been Rob with Signum Golf. I'll talk to you soon.